Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and today's unboxing, well, technically, I already unboxed it. In fact, I'm on my 4th day now. This is Prolon. I wanted to talk to you about it because I think it's a great thing if you're stuck on a lot of medicines. But I wanted to preface this by saying, as a doctor, I have to be skeptical about anybody that comes in and says that I have a pill or I have a diet that will eliminate all diseases. If you're deep into disease and you're taking a cholesterol medicine, a diabetes medicine, an arthritis pill, or cancer chemotherapy, as a doctor, I have to be skeptical. I have to review data. As an athlete at 58, I'll take anything to hack and get my way through the longevity cycle. We all have our aging problems. And if you're feeling a big prostate, bad back, problems with fatigue, difficulty with hot flashes or brain fog, you're probably in the same boat. But if you're having that and you're in your 30s, that's unacceptable. Prolon is a 5-day box of food, mostly soups and small bars and olives. In the 5 days, including the macronutrient ratios, the calorie ratios, and then the components, mostly plant-based. I think if you look at the data with a fasting mimicking diet, you'll be impressed. It was even published in Cell, which is a high-end journal that all doctors around the world rely on. But it was specifically for helping patients get through chemotherapy. That's the worst, nastiest disease in the world. I do have a couple patients that are going through that trial now, but when you can get through chemotherapy with a higher percentage of success, why not? I mean, I have people that are fighting for their lives, and I would say stack the odds. And if it just entails 5 days of a fast, I tell you, I'm on my 4th day. I'm looking forward to Saturday. I'm not going to binge, but I'm going to start refueling my muscle and my digestive system and my brain with proper food. If we can get something that's doable versus a long-term for the rest of your life diet, I think it's worth it. As an athlete, I want to have something that'll boost testosterone, decrease cortisol, decrease insulin at the right time, and hopefully help my gains come faster. And I think this does it. I've tried to put together my own 5-day and mimic it to be cheap. And then I've done this, and I've done self-experimenting, so I can give you a thumbs up that this works. Now, this is why I'm going to talk about these things. Choices always depend on what your goal is. The goal is dependent on the outcome, and some people are fighting cancer, like I said. Some people are trying to reverse diabetes. Some people are trying to just get rid of their arthritis medicines. I'm just trying to get more lean and higher T and faster recovery. So I'm going for the ketosis part of this. I'm a vegetarian, plant-based. I thought it would be hard with all the keto guys talking you have to have meat to be ketosis. No, I can get into ketosis with a beta hydroxybutyrate level of 4.3, I believe. This will put me into ketosis. So if I'm trying to get into ketosis to burn more fat, be metabolically flexible, and improve testosterone, why not? This is beta hydroxybutyrate in a capsule. This is medium chain triglycerides, or MCT oil, in powder form. So the week before the Prolon, I usually do a Prolon about every 8 weeks. The week before, I'll start to jack up and get my body used to ketosis again, a little bit of taste of it. And then during the 5 days, I definitely ramp up on this. So I think it does, and I'll put links down below, or better yet, I have a conference this Saturday, that's in 2 days, on vitamins. I'll be taking on questions from the audience, but I will talk about this and my product mixture. I'll field some other questions, but sign up if you're interested. It's in the Endorphin Effect in Bartlett, and I'll try to broadcast the highlights on my YouTube channel. So check out my YouTube channel, Herbal411. But the last thing I'll leave you with is those of you with bowel problems, or those of you who have been on antibiotics, you should know, like I tell all my patients, sometimes you need antibiotics, especially with COVID, Z-Pak. But those of you who have gone through the antibiotic cycle, you should always rebuild with probiotics. This is the most I've found. Technically, it's in the refrigerated section, but this is the most I've found. And I believe I have found a way to boost and inoculate the digestive system with probiotic with using this. This is what happens in the 5 days in a nutshell. If you can contract the systems, the digestive system, the neurological system, the reproductive system, you can contract them and stimulate stem cell, and then you feed them again, and it's called refeed, and you refeed all those systems with the new stem cells with proper fuel, then you'll have a different body. I mean, you've all heard about getting stem cell injections. you can turn on your stem cells with this. And it's proven by Volter Longo. So that's where this comes in handy. If you can kind of contract the digestive system, even contract the microbiome that you have, what little you might have after having Z-Pak, and then you inoculate with this, and then you blossom it, you have a new digestive system. So I think it's easy. The third day is always tough, but I think for what it's worth, I'd say give it a try. If you have any questions, come to my conference or tune in to my Facebook Live channel. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe to me on YouTube and my Herbal 411 website, and I'll see you at the next video.